This week we were having problems connecting to the internet using the Roku TV and also on the other devices that we have. We have Roku in the spare bedroom, also in one of the other bedrooms. And what happened is it would show that we were connected to the internet, but then when we would click on an app, say Spectrum or Netflix, it would say that we're not connected. So I would go to the settings and try to reconnect, and it asked something it never asked before. It needed help to connect, wanted to know where I was, whether I was at home, in the dorm, and I would say home. And then it would continue and again tell me that I was connected on that particular page, but when I clicked on one of the apps, it would say I wasn't. Now we had had several power surges before that, sometimes just for a few seconds, and then the power would come back, but it would be enough to interrupt the router. The router would probably have to reboot every time that happened. So then, at this particular time, my computer was off. I had it off, which is a good thing, because I didn't want it to be affected from the power surge. I probably should have turned off the modem and the router at that particular time, but I left them on. And then when I got on to check the internet on my PC, and my wife got on her laptop, she couldn't get on the internet. Now on my PC, I got on, but it would give me a screen, and it was the router login screen, and it was asking for an admin password. So then it dawned on me that what had happened was that the router had been reset, not rebooted, okay? Reset, which is something you do when you're having issues that are kind of extreme, and you reset it to factory status, because that's what I got when I first installed this particular router. I have the Nighthawk Netgear R7000, so I figured the router had been reset, but I wanted to make sure, so just in case, I went ahead and reset it. There's a reset button in the back. I used a paper clip and just held it in for a little bit, and then the power light flicked a few times, and it got reset. So then what I did, I'd already done some troubleshooting before this. I had my normal thing with Roku TV is to restart, check for updates, and all of that. I had done that, but it didn't work. So in this particular case, I went ahead and entered a password. Now the thing about it is when I installed the new router, I never changed the password. We always used the password that came with it, so it was easy for me to just reconnect because it had the same password that it came when I bought it. So resetting it left the same password there, but I went ahead and logged in with changed the password and stuff, and that's what fixed it. So anyway, what happened was all the power surges that were occurring during the day reset the router. I went ahead and made sure and reset it again, just to make sure that it wasn't partially reset and have issues later on. But anyway, that's what fixed it. Reset it, was able to connect to the internet and other devices, and things are running smooth. Didn't have to buy a new router. My wife thought we'd have to buy another one, but no, it fixed it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.